I was going through my room and I found $50 Visa and 20 bucks in cash. So I'm going to Target because it's basically free money, right? Every year I'm so excited for summer to get here, and then it comes and I remember I live in a humid place now. So it's 93, but it really feels like 145. I got this lip gloss from K-Skin. Oh, fuck. Anyways, look at it. So cute, so pretty. Recommend. No shopping trip is complete without getting a beverage, so we're getting Dutch Bros right now. I don't know if the quality is gonna post this good, but god damn! We're walking in. Hopefully there's not a lot of people, so people don't think I'm talking to myself, but whatever. I also don't care. Of course, I'm going straight to the beauty section. You should already know this. This is the most organized I've ever seen a Target makeup aisle ever. Wow. This Maybelline skin tint is so good. Highly recommend. I've heard really good things about this Maybelline vinyl thing. This is like the only shade I'd wear though, so fuck it. Chili pepper? No. I also want to try one of the lifter glosses, but I don't know what shade. You can't swatch. I'm gonna get this opal shade. I don't have anything like this, so why not? Everyone raves about these e.l.f. lip balms, so I think I'm gonna get the vanilla frosting because that's my favorite. Since when does Target sell ColourPop? Maybe I'll get something from here. There's a man staring at me from the little boy section. Hello? I think it's about time I get the e.l.f. Halo Glow. They only have these two that look like they'd be my shade, but actually, I bought the vanilla shaving oil and I love the smell, so I kind of want the body wash or the lotion. I'll get the body wash because I have like a vanilla Sol de Janeiro lotion I need to use, so props to vloggers because this is really awkward, but I'm doing it. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I'm almost out, but I'm gonna wait to get more, I think. I kind of want to get this lotion because one of my friends used to use it and her skin literally was glowing, so I'm probably already at 50 to be honest. Ooh, I'm gonna see if they have Lemmy here because I want to try some of those. Everyone raves about it. Okay, well that's disappointing. I've gone down like every pill aisle and I don't see them, so fuck. Okay, well I'm just gonna go look at clothes because the beauty aisle has so many people that I'm getting anxiety. I'm looking in the clothes now because I feel safe here. Ooh, that's cute. I think I'm gonna cop her. That's very me coded. I'm getting an extra small because the small looks a little too wide, but I'm scared my boobs are gonna fall out of it. Target used to sell these really good little tank tops. Like I've never found anything that fits me like it. And I can't find it. I want the black one. I'm like, why can't I find anything cute? I'm in the maternity section. I'm trying to keep myself from buying just black clothes because that's all I wear and I look like emo and I'm not, so. Okay, I'm looking through the swimsuits and then I'm going because there's too many fucking people here and I guarantee I'm already at my spending limit. These look like my Aritzia little cargo sweats. Target. That top would be so cute for 4th of July. I just like don't need it. This is so hard to look through. Okay, I'm not getting anything because they changed the cut of their bottoms and it looks like it's gonna give me saggy ass. Well, I'm an idiot and didn't realize the Visa I used needed activation, so I just used my dad's credit card. But it's okay, I'll just give him the Visa when I see him. And I was only $6 over what I originally wanted to spend, so in my opinion, it was a success. I need to call him so he doesn't like get mad at me, but also he never gets mad at me because I'm a daddy's girl. Okay, so final haul. I got this Tree Hut vanilla body wash thing. It smells good. Nivea lotion, supposed to make me glow. This green little bra top. I think this will actually do my boobs justice, hopefully. e.l.f. lip balm. This Maybelline lip gloss. That's so cute. This, also the vinyl Maybelline lipstick thing. And then e.l.f. Halo Glow. This better be the shit y'all say it is because I just bought a glowy product not that long ago. But now I'm gonna go home and watch Vanderpump Rules for the 800th time and call my dad and tell him not to get mad at me.